pretty cocky crew. It is time for another video. Thank you guys so much for joining me. While we're at it, go ahead and like and subscribe to this video, because today I will be installing a quick weave, and the cut that she's getting is inspired by the Kelly cut. For those of you who don't know what the Kelly cut is, it is a mohawk actually. So Niger Like a River came up with the name, and you know, a lot of people just fell in love with it. So let's get right into it. Typically I like to use a 27 piece on her sides, but my client couldn't find this particular hair color in a 27 piece. But in this situation, I choose to make lemonade out of lemons. So as you can see, my client has on her cap. Her hair is braided in a circular motion underneath, and after braiding her hair, I use end wraps that you use for rollers to place on her hair with gel. So this makes her hair completely protected. At this point, you will see me install her hair in a circular motion. I will begin to apply the glue to the cap all the way around, and I normally try to go all the way to the top of her head, or you know, the crown. Doing it this way just saves a lot of time for me. So now I will begin to cut her hair. As you can see, I decided to go in with a razor. It's a razor cut, so I wanted to make sure the hair has a soft texture, you know, throughout. I like to go in with a razor just to ensure that there are no lines, you know, within the cut. Of course, there are other ways of cutting hair like this with shears, but you know, her hair is installed thick, so I like to make sure that I don't thin my shears out in the process. This is why I use the razor. So now I will begin to mold her hair on the sides. She doesn't have a 27 piece, so I would like to make sure that it's really tapered to her head, because I want a seamless look for the quick weave. We don't want people to know that it's a quick weave by looking at, how it's installed. It's fine that they know that it's a quick weave, with the color, but with the installation and the cut, everything there should be seamless. So this particular foam wrap that I'm using is the marshmallow abstract from Design Essentials. I said in another video that I actually love this particular foam wrap. So before I forget, go ahead and like and subscribe to this video and let me know what you think, and also let me know what you use when it comes to the foam wrap. I know there are other kinds out there, so if there are a particular kind that I'd like to use in the place of this, let me know. So at this point, you will see me go back in with a razor. I'm doing this, of course, so I can make sure the cut is right. You will see me go in with the razor 2 or 3 times within the entire process. So, I don't play about my cuts. Now I will begin to curl her hair, so enjoy. So what do you guys think? I think it turned out really well. Remember, you guys, personality plays a big part in styling hair. So if the haircut doesn't suit them as a hairstylist, we should, find a way to talk to our clients about their particular look. Otherwise, if the client wants it, we have to give it to them. But, thankfully this cut suits her very well. Again, you guys, I would love it if you guys would go over to my YouTube. If you're already here, go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe to this video, and, let me know in the comments if you like the cut. And tell me as well, what else do you think I should show you guys in another video? She slayed, honey. Yes. Swing it, girl.